3-story, triplex townhouse here in Quezon City, Scout. Guys, tara, pasukin natin yung loob. Pagpasok mo, ito yung pedestrian gate, saka yung 3-panel gate niya. Papunta dito sa 2 to 3 carport ninyo. Itong tatlong unit ito, may sarili silang gate. Okay? Then, ito yung covered parking. Tapos yung tiles na ginamit dito is rustic tiles. Excuse me lang po, may mga ilang gamit pa kasi katatapos lang itong unit na ito. And then ito yung staircase going up to your second floor. Doon meron tayong maid's room and toilet and bathroom. Tara, okay tayo sa taas. Yung handle na ginamit is solid wood. Yan, meron kang partition mo ng steel between dito sa staircase. And then guys, welcome to second floor ng house and lot. Solid door yung ginamit. And then yung handle mo is black matte. Yung tiles na ginamit is 60 by 60 tiles. Ito yung ceiling niya. May drop ceiling. Then size. And then meron tayong sliding glass window, fixed window. Yan, facing ito sa street ng house and lot. Then guys, ito yung inyong open shelving. Tapos yung cabinet, pwede maglagay ng yung TV. And ito yung kabuuan ng inyong living area. Next natin dito sa living area, ito yung dining. Pwede kang maglagay dito ng round or rectangular table. Good for 6. It's up to you kung ano magiging design mo. And then, ikot tayo. Meron kang sliding glass door. And then, ito yung kitchen mo. May box plus upper cabinet. Ito. And yung range hood. And then, mapapansin mo bakit wala ditong cooktop. Then guys, kalimitan ng mga buyers, sila yung bumibili. And then, sinusukat na lang yan. At yun, binubutas para ikabit yung sakto. Meron ka dito mga cabinet sa baba. Ito yung hagdanan papunta naman sa 3rd floor. Dito meron ka powder room. Ito yung first bedroom. Yan, as you can see, meron siyang panel ng cabinet. At dito yung sliding glass. Meron ka na rin dyan LG na aircon, awning dito. And ikot ka dyan. At meron ka ditong intercom. Dito guys, sa unit nito merong CCTV at naglagay na rin sila ng mga aircon. At tapos meron yung solar panel. And ito yung toilet and bathroom. Water heater, head shower. Yung toilet na ginamit LG. Tapos yung floating vanity. Tapos na tayo dito sa second floor. At ito yung staircase going up to 3rd floor. Pero bago tayo pumunta dun sa taas, specs of this home, that area 70 square meter. Floor area mula sa baba hanggang sa taas is 200 square meter. 3 bedrooms, 3 toilet and bathroom, 1 maid's room with own toilet, 1 powder room, and 2 carport. So guys, punta naman tayo sa 3rd floor. Yung handle mo dito, yan, mahogany. And yung steps and riser, mahogany wood din po. Welcome to 3rd floor ng house and lot. Dito, meron kang 2 big bedroom with own toilet and bathroom. At meron kang open space na family area. Meron kang cabinet na. And then dito guys, yung sa solar panel. Yan, meron tayong 4 na battery dito sa taas na yan. Yung breaker nga dyan din. And guys, one solar panel hybrid system. And ito yung door, papunta dito sa 2 bedroom. Sa kanan ko, ito yung cabinet. Tapos may provision ka for TV, open shelving. May sliding ka dito sa side na yan. And dito naman, meron kang 2-panel door. Ang aliwalas niya. Yan. Ang hangin. Ito yung open space for ventilation mula dun sa ground floor to 2nd floor. And this door naman open up to your toilet and bathroom. Naka-full tiles and shower. Meron ka nang naka-install. O naglagay na rin sila ng water heater. And ikot ka para makita nila dito sa side na to. Ito may LG aircon ka na, dual inverter. Ito. Another ventilation itong side na to. Tapos ito yung intercom. Pwede kang tumawag sa ground floor to third floor para kung at least meron kang i-request. And guys, ito pala, isa third floor na pala ito na mula sa second floor to third floor intercom. Ang ganda ng open space ito, saka ang ganda ng pagkakadesign ng ceiling niya. Yeah. Welcome to third floor o third bedroom nitong house and lot. As you can see, yan, ito yung shower enclosure, yung toilet. Mapapansin mong bagong gawa no? Ang linis-linis. Tapos ito yung floating vanity. Ito po yung wardrobe cabinet natin. Ilang panel sa 6 panel. Open shelving. Yan, katulad din ng cabinet kanina sa bedroom 2. At meron ka dito sliding door, glass door. Yung frame niya is aluminum. Dito naman yung isa pang balcony. May balcony tayo sa likod for the second bedroom. Ito naman yung balcony dito sa front. Yan guys, may 2 panel. Tapos yung railings mo dito, stainless. Yan guys, sana po nagustuhan nyo itong bagong townhouse na aking pinicture dito po sa Scout, Quezon City. Specs of this home po, bago tayo matapos ulit, recap tayo. Ang lot area po ito 70 square meter, ang floor area is 200 square meter. 3-story po na townhouse, 3 townhouse ang available. Lahat po ng townhouse may sariling gate. Tapos, ang featured po nito, meron ka ng CCTV, meron kang solar panel for emergency, meron ka na nakalagay po sa mga room na inverter, LG aircon, at mayroon ka pang 2-car carport. Sana po nagustuhan itong bagong picture ko. And please don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell button for notification para lagi kayong updated sa mga bagong picture na property dito po sa Metro Manila and Rizal area. Again, this is Dilbert Halas, helping you find a home that's meant for you.